So first of all of you wishes for International Women's Day. Today's topic is women empowerment. What's the meaning of women empowerment? Which we call in Hindi Mahila Sashakti-karan. Women empowerment means to give equal opportunity to women in all sphere of life. And nowadays, women are contributing in the society in every sphere with men by joining soldiers. And we already know that Indian society already be a male-dominant society. From the primal civilization, Indian society be a male-dominant society, and in every sphere, women were lagged behind. But after independence, a lot of schemes and works launched for it. And if we search our history, it wasn't like this. You heard name of some famous women reformers such as Pandita Ramabai, Gargi, Vidyutma. A lot of females who work for the welfare of the society, who work for the girls' education. But if we went in the medieval period, a lot of changes came in the society and women were confined. With the passage of time, changes came and women started to fight their rights. Do you know in 1789 a revolution was occurred in France? That was the time 1789, and at that time whenever the French constitution was prepared in 1791, male got the right to vote, but you got surprised when women got the right to vote in France 1946. It means they had to fight their rights. But by the God's grace, our constitution makers was so intelligent, was so smart, that with the enacting of the constitution, they give the equal rights to men and women in all sphere of life. Women empowerment means that to give the equal opportunity in all sphere of life. But we see that some of the people who have the stereotypes and prejudice thinking, and they think that this work is for men and this work is for women. And I also surprised to see that most of the kitchen work, most of the domestic work, we always relate to that work be for the women. But whenever salary pays for these works, then male get ready for do these works. So we have to change our mindset about women. At last, I want to say that यदि ये संसार एक गुलशन है तो नारी उसका माली है, वो झुक जाए तो सीता और अड़ जाए तो दुर्गा काली है. थैंक यू.